Fact. You've meddled in federal affairs. Fact. You will be treated as a federal problem. Fact. Now you see, all these things put together give me a bunch of different options. You're an enemy combatant, which means rendition. Gitmo if I get cranky. Unless what? Unless you help me get into DedSec. Get me their 0 days. Get me the scoop on the whole gang. You are my way in. God damn it. All right, look. Right now, I am an act of God. Get me something. Point me in the right direction. Names, addresses. Because I swear to God, you want me on your side. You can't just walk in.
I told him you were going to be a waste of his time.
You're jeopardizing the investigation. You have no standing here. None.
Go ahead. Call your boss. Call Chief Agent Monroe. Call her now. Pig. What the hell is up with Marcus? He's a nice guy. He's misguided, but come on. He can't protect you from what's coming. The FBI is gonna make an example of him. I mean, that's kind of what they do. It's too bad. But you have a decision. You can decide to be on board the ride or just get run over by it.
You're rendering everything we've got against this guy inadmissible.
Excuse me. His Agent Fuentes is having a really hard time seeing the long term. So you're free to go. Tell your friends about the deal. If they want to be off the FBI's radar, they just gotta come see me. Yes, me! Or else things ain't gonna be pretty. No. See, I think it's time you saw the world through your own eyes, like a big boy. And let the world see you for what you really are.
I don't believe you two lovebirds jerk each other off.
Escort that man out. Properly.
What am I gonna do with you, Marcus? What am I gonna do with you?
God damn it, you motherfuckers! I'm coming to get that mask back. Wrench,
I'm here.
I'm getting your mask back.
You saw that?
Nobody does you like that.
No, Marcus, man. You got more important shit to take care of.
Fuck that. I got your back. Those fucking assholes.
They thought we'd go for that?
They don't get us. They don't get us at all. Wrench needs that mask. When one of our team needs something, we get it.
Absolutely.
Then I'm gonna hack their fucking server and get all the files about their little extortion plan. Time to air some dirty FBI laundry. Sixteenth Street Station. Mask has gotta be here somewhere.
What are you doing with that? Oh my God. What are you doing?
find you eventually.
Ah! Make it stop, Chase!
What the hell was that?
Dispatch to squad. Be on alert. Possible hostiles near your location.
Oh, God, my ears!
— 16th Street Station. Mass has got to be here somewhere.
Start a sweep.
Don't see anyone. Moving on.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hold up. What's that? Eric?
Ah! Make it stop, Chase!
Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
911. State your emergency, please.
I can't hear a damn thing. Ah! Oh my God!
I'm hit!
We need reinforcements. It's DedSec.
911, please state your emergency.
I gotta take cover! God, these fucking headphones!